You may think this is a high-tech lab at NASA, but it's actually the watchmaking shop at Ahee Jewelers. The room is truly state-of-the-art, and it has to be kept sparkling clean to keep even the slightest particle of dust from the hundreds of tiny watch components. Certified horologist Gerald Keys graduated from one of the top schools in the world. Gerald meticulously examines each and every component, then cleans, oils, and reassembles them into the engineering marvels that they were designed to be. It's how the best timepieces in the world remain timeless.